Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the chorus for Hotel California. Alright, so keeping the capo on the 7th fret, these are the chords. It's pretty easy. You just got a C. And I was just kind of messing around with the melody with my pinky. And then going to the pointer finger. Keep the pointer finger there when you go to the G. And take it off. I mean, you don't have to do the melody with it. It could just be C to G. Then you got that 7 chord, remember from before? Yeah. And if you were to mess around with the melody right there, you'd go. And then you got an E minor, but you can do it like an A major and take your pinky off and go. You can mimic the vocal melody there. Try to keep that E minor chord ringing out while you walk it up. So it would sound like this. This time you go to an A minor. And then of course end it with that 7. And then it goes back into the verse. Yes. Alright, so there's a ton of guitar fills and there's amazing guitar solos at the end of the song. So, of course, next week we'll get into the fills and then we'll do that harmonized guitar solo at the end. Good luck, Seth. Good luck!